earn money for business owner, metal gearing, upgrade the house. Numbers are like a woman. It is true what they say that choices have convictions. I love you every bit of the conveys consequence of my choices to be with you. It has been blessed every time when times were there is no one else I would rather to do this life with. Love is like sunshine, it brings a shining glow to its beholder face and frame, filling all over the body. It a weakness the souls and opens the eyes, and when it's over, it leaves to light of smiles. It leaves late of smile memories, called star to remind the globe that it's exist. I love you. One thing is for sure, it life is simply if you focus, you are the man we has shown now through his love that all we needed to be can credit concentrate on the things that matter, and this is love. Thank you for such a life changing experiences I continue to share with you every day. Will it be crazy if you tell you with these sweet romantic words that you are the best thing that has happened to me in a long time? When I look back at all the hit, heartbreaks, and unfulfilled promise that have faced, I simply to do not think I can feel for anyone else in this world. Your love brings me all the joy in the world. I hope you know how loved me and created you for your you make me feel the happiness never felt before with you in my life. I am always on cloud nine in cases the oceans start during up and the days slowly start running tonight the stars begin to fall from the sky and all the people in the world. Train could me world will still be perfect if you are there by side. I adore you my kinto in shining armoring. I love you more than I love you my life. I hope each time you feel you reminds us on all the can frame your heart. You are the most loving person I have come to love on this earth. If I were to describe what a perfect life is, then my answer would be quick and definite. It's a life with you. You are the most caring, considerate, and kind man of on earth. I can prove this is the many times I have seen you suffices for the other. How you can sing yourself with the plight of those who need help is something I still trying to wrap my head around. It is one of the many things that will be forever keep me attached to do you because now you will always love and care for me. Sometimes think that we do not appreciate you enough. You are a great daddy, a wonderful partner, and the greatest love for a live. The fact that you do not make a face when forget to acknowledge knowledge. This is what make it even sweetie for you. You does these things came out naturally and so willingly and not just as act of duty. You are such a good man that I can never find the right words